Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel a free trial on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your free trial won't renew into a paid plan. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along in real time and feel confident that your account is set up exactly how you want it. This is especially useful if you want to test TradingView without committing to a subscription, or if you simply want to avoid accidental charges. Start by signing in to your TradingView account in a web browser. Once you're on the home page or your chart, look to the top left and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might be your avatar or your initials. This opens a small menu tied to your account, giving you access to all your personal settings and account management tools. Next, move your mouse to hover over your profile name in that menu. When you do, you'll see more account options appear. From there, select Settings and Billing. This is the place where TradingView keeps all your plan and payment details, so it's the right hub for canceling a trial and managing your billing. Think of this as your central control panel for subscriptions, upgrades, and billing preferences. Inside Settings and Billing, head to the Subscriptions tab. Here, you should see your current plan along with the free trial status. Look for the option to cancel or unsubscribe from the free trial. Click it and then confirm the cancellation when prompted. After you confirm, your trial will be set to end at the scheduled time, and the automatic renewal will be turned off. You should still keep your trial access until that end date, which is great because it allows you to continue testing the platform without worrying about charges. If you're asked for a reason, choose any option. It won't affect the cancellation. This feedback is mainly for TradingView's records, not for controlling your subscription. While you're still in Settings and Billing, go to the Payment Methods tab. If a payment method is saved, you can remove it by clicking the Remove or Delete option next to the card or account on file, then confirming. This step is optional, but it's a smart way to prevent accidental charges later and keep your account tidy, especially if you use multiple payment methods across different platforms. At this point, you're all set. You've canceled the free trial and cleaned up your payment details. You may receive an email confirming the cancellation. Keep that message for your records, as it's proof of your action. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in to update the status. This can help if the dashboard hasn't synced immediately with the server. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Try to cancel at least a day before the trial ends to avoid any last-minute billing cutoffs. And remember that these steps apply to TradingView's web interface. If you started the trial through a mobile app store, the subscription may need to be managed directly through that store, such as Apple App Store or Google Play. That's it. You've successfully canceled your TradingView free trial and removed your payment method. This ensures you can explore the platform safely without worrying about unexpected charges. Thanks for watching, and take care.